Gerber Greatest Hits 3.0 3-piece knife set. I just picked this up at Sam's Club here in Colorado Springs for $24.98. You might as well say $25. Now these are folding knives, and actually that's not too bad. The price is right. It's a good way for you to go ahead and get into collecting knives, or just so you have 3 additional folding knives. What are they? The Air Ranger clip folding knife, the Evo Junior clip folding knife, and the Paraframe clip folding knife. Each one has a few different aspects. Steel. It's all good quality, as Gerber is known for. Doesn't mean there won't be future issues or problems, but really for a 3-pack for folding knives, you need some extra knives. Spend $25. Go ahead and get this. Search Sam's Club, or if you can find it for less money, go ahead and get it. It's not a bad buy. Thanks for watching.